Expanding conversations with conditionals. The power of what if. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on conversational English, focusing on daily routines and habits. Today we're diving into the depths of advanced grammar and sentence structures. Specifically, we're looking at incorporating conditionals and hypothetical situations into your daily routine chats. This will take your English conversations to a whole new level. Conditionals are incredibly useful in English, as they allow us to talk about possibilities, probabilities, and hypothetical situations. In essence, conditionals express the idea that the occurrence of one event depends on the occurrence of another event. English has 4 types of conditionals: 0, first, second, and third. We will briefly review them here, but today's focus is on using second and third conditionals for hypothetical situations in our daily routine. 1. 0 conditional, used for universal or general truths. 2. Example. If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. 3. First conditional, used for realistic situations in the present or future. 4. Example. If it rains tomorrow, I'll stay home. 5. Second conditional, used to discuss unreal or hypothetical situations in the present or future. 6. Example. If I had $1 million, I'd buy a house. 7. Third conditional, used to talk about unreal situations in the past. 8. Example. If I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. Now that we have a basic understanding of conditionals, let's see how we can use them to talk about daily routines and habits. First conditional. We can use the first conditional to talk about potential plans or changes in our daily routine, depending on different circumstances. Example. If it's sunny tomorrow, I'll go for a jog in the park. Second conditional. Here's where we can have some fun. We use the second conditional to imagine or fantasize about changes to our routine. Example. If I didn't have to work, I'd spend all day reading. Third conditional. We use the third conditional to express regret or to analyze what could have happened differently in our past routine. Example. If I had woken up earlier, I wouldn't have missed my bus. Hypothetical situations are the bread and butter of imaginative and creative conversations. Using hypothetical situations in discussions about your daily routines can make your conversations more engaging and interesting. Example. Second conditional. If you could rearrange your work schedule, what would you change? Example. Third conditional. If you had left home earlier yesterday, could you have caught the earlier train? As you can see, conditionals help make our conversations dynamic, adding a dash of color to otherwise mundane routine talks. That wraps up our lesson on incorporating conditionals and hypothetical situations into our daily routine chats. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to include these structures in your English conversations and see how they add depth and dimension to your discussions. Stay curious, keep exploring, and until next time, happy learning.